So hey ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to review this JB Racing short visor. So first of all I would like to say that it is kind of copy of the FZ, but still it looks nice and the finishing is kind of good. So first of all I am putting this visor on my Optima scooter. So today we will also talk about how to fit it. So first of all you can see this one screw. In Optima the stock visor is kind of really small, that's why you can't put 4 screws. You need to put 2 screws, but 2 screws are all obviously. Wait, I'm shooting with one phone, that's why. Wait a minute, you can see over here I have drilled 4 holes, but you just need to do 2 holes in front of your headlight. Then you just need to put this kind of screw inside, and then you will see that over this point the screw is kind of touching with this. Then you just need to do one thing, you just need to pull it off that side and then need to keep on tightening it till it gets tight to this full. Or I am saying you that please don't do it with any tools, do it with your hands only, because the visor is obviously of plastic. That's why I am saying that. Like this, tight it to its full, how much you can. Then here it is. And one tip I would like to tell you that if you are not kind of sure for this, then obviously you can put a nut. Otherwise if you will not put a nut also, then also it's okay. And if you want more stability, then you can put over here also, put small nuts on the top, because the down ones are too big. That's why I am saying that. According to the size, it would be a big nut in the down and a small nut up. So this is the final look of it. I think you all have liked it. So first of all we will talk about its pricing. So I have got it for around 190 bucks, so it is kind of worth it. And obviously JB brand is a new brand, I think so, but I don't know that it's new or old, but still I like the JB visor because you can see the finishing and everything was nice of this visor according to its price. But one thing I am complaining, that's it, you can't see anything from this visor obviously. That's a little bit of drawback, but still it is a very nice visor to its price obviously. And these bolts I have told you that you just need to pull it like this, see, then only they will come in, otherwise they will get traction with this, and then this can also, obviously this would vibrate, and you all know that it's a full plastic scooter, that's why it would vibrate a lot. That's why I'm saying you all. And obviously the vibration, if you will ask me, then kind of okay, little bit of vibration is there, but still you can live with it, and I can hold the whole visor with it. So let me put it in my scooter, so let's go. So this is from JB Racings, as I have told you, and you only have this black option or some other colors. If I would be able to, then I would have given you the links. So first of all I have bought it from Flipkart, you can take it from Amazon also. Wait, let me fit it. So guys, this is how it looks. So now I am not having the mirrors, that's why they would kind of look open, but you can see the chrome finish on this, it looks nice. But still I like this visor because of the pricing and all. And obviously over here the JB Racing stickers, so it is not sticker, it's tape, that's why. So this was all for today's video guys, so I will see you on the next video. Bye.